Hello everyone, I'm Eufemio Guevarra, an engineer by training from the Philippines and presently working here in Dublin, Ireland as a janitor of 5 luxury apartment blocks. My work puts me at risk of contracting COVID-19 virus because on the daily basis I am in contact with the common area surfaces most touched by the residents. After the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic, and during the early days of lockdown here in Ireland, I developed a fear of using the vacuum cleaners because they suck dust, including any contaminating viruses, fungi, and bacteria from the floors. We know that unless the vacuum cleaner is fitted with an expensive HEPA filter, some of this dust ends up in the air we breathe, and therein lies a big problem and is my worry. A further consideration is that this new deadly virus could be expelled close to my face. I spent several weeks coming up with various plans to address this problem. I discussed them with Dr. Maura Cannon, a retired microbiologist and director of the owner's management company for the development where I work. She agrees that there is a need and great scope for improvements and solutions to be found that are less costly than HEPA filters in vacuum cleaners. She has encouraged me to pursue my plans and gave me some suggestions to put in good direction to develop simple solutions to reducing the spread of the virus by vacuum cleaners. As nobody knows when or if an effective vaccine will be delivered, or if a more deadly variant of COVID-19 may soon evolve, I consider it worthwhile to continue what I have started. Even this idea of vacuum cleaners can also wear masks as added protection against COVID-19 may seem crazy at first sight. I think that with support, encouragement, and good guidance, I am on track to make a valuable contribution to protecting us from COVID-19. And this is the reason why I am joining YouTube to share my ideas, experiences, and other interesting topics related to this serious matter. Now I will be showing to you the attachment I have made to help us protect ourselves against COVID-19. And the idea is to use the face mask, the same face mask or surgical mask I'm using now. So I have this attachment I have made, and to put the mask, we just click it like this. And we have the mask now, as you can see. We put it on top of it. Okay, and now we put the cover. Click it, to close it. And now we have put the mask on the attachment I have made to help protect me from getting the virus from the air. So I think this will be additional protection for us. And of course, I will be showing to you how to make this in my other videos. And of course, this is only the start of this idea. It still can be, improved, even to make this idea to be more effective against against the COVID-19. So of course, on my next other videos, I will be making other improvements or other ways to make this idea more effective against the spread of COVID-19 when we use our vacuum cleaners at home or at work. So Now I will be showing to you how to put this attachment to the vacuum cleaner. And we should note that most of the wet and dry vacuum cleaner has this circular port or intake, exhaust port. So we put this attachment to the exhaust port like this, just like that, and and now we can try how this works. So I think it's okay. We can see now that even with the installation of this attachment with the surgical mask, still the vacuum cleaner works okay. And I think this idea can be even further improved, as I said before. And of course, on my next videos, I will be showing to you how to make this attachment. And of course, other videos, I will be showing also other ways we can improve this design. Okay.